So to make our meatballs, we need our ground beef. We have here about 1 pound. We are going to add some finely chopped seasoning. Here I have already a tablespoon of celery. I'm going to go in with about a tablespoon, with 2 tablespoons of celery. I'm going to go in with about 2 tablespoons of chopped green pepper, about 2 tablespoons of onion, all or finely diced, 2 tablespoons of chives. This is about 4 garlic. This is about 1 tablespoon of my homemade blended season. Very flavorful. I'm gonna go in with some garlic onion powder, garlic powder, some paprika, some complete seasoning, some rosemary, and my breadcrumbs. This is whole wheat breadcrumbs. So I'm gonna mix now. All the seasons are blended well inside this ground meat and it smells so nice. This is the size of my meatballs. I make them this size so they can be more juicier. So if you want some juicy meatball, make your meatball a little bigger, and also make sure you buy ground meat that have at least 20% of fat. So we have our pan ready with the oil, about 2 tablespoons, and it's ready to fry our meatball. The stove is on medium high. Our meatballs is coming on nicely. Look at that nice brown color. Beautiful. We are going to saute our season for our meatball sauce. Here I have some garlic. This is the leftover oil from the meatballs. This is some celery, some onions, and some green peppers. So we're going to leave this saute for a few minutes. So for the meatball sauce, here I have 1 can of diced tomato. But I want a smooth texture, so I'm going to blend this. But before I blend it, I'm going to add some, this is about a tablespoon of thyme. I'm going to add it. It's about a teaspoon of dry rosemary. So I'm going to blend everything together. After blended, this is what it looked like. So we will continue to make the meatball sauce. So about 5 minutes later, when we start to get this nice aroma, we are going to add our sauce. This is our blended tomato sauce. We're going to add a teaspoon of sugar, and we're going to add 1 cup of coconut milk. Oh, you know this sauce is going to be creamy and flavorful. And we're going to add 1 chicken bouillon. And our stove is on medium low. Wow. So this is the final result of my meatballs cooked in creamy tomato sauce. So guys, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and drop a comment below. Let me know how did yours came out. Thanks for watching guys. Bye. I hope you enjoy these lovely meatballs, beef balls.